9:23 in Washington, D.C. A live look out over the White House this morning as nations across the globe react to President Donald Trump's new import taxes. Stocks in the U.S. suffered their worst single-day loss since the start of the pandemic nearly 5 years ago. NBC's Alice Barr is in Washington with more on how those tariffs are impacting nearly every U.S. trading partner around the world.
Reaction is pouring in to President Trump's big gamble that tariffs will restore American manufacturing and boost the economy in the long term, weighed against concerns over higher prices and growing fears of a recession. Amid a major market sell-off, Wall Street's worst day since the depths of the pandemic, President Trump downplaying the reaction to his sweeping new tariffs, arguing the economy is like a sick patient in recovery.
The operation's over, and now we let it settle in.
The global trade war, though, may only be ramping up. Trading partners from the European Union to the UK and Canada preparing retaliation.
That it's intended and will cause maximum impact in the United States.
President Trump suggesting the tariffs could change, framing them as a negotiating tool with other nations.
We're taking it to a whole new level because it's a worldwide situation.
The breadth and scope of the administration's tariffs overall rocking many small businesses like Rhoda Auto Repair that doesn't control where parts come from in a global supply chain.
It's steel and aluminum that goes into those parts. It's where those parts come from and are sourced and where they are manufactured.
All of that expected to drive up prices, and Democrats are hammering the impact on American consumers.
The Yale Budget Office projects that it will cost the average family $3,800 more this year.
As forecasters like J.P. Morgan up the chances of a global recession, administration officials are making a full court press to reassure.
We're going to have a booming stock market for a long time because we're reinvesting in the United States of America.
Adamant the tariff strategy will bring American manufacturing and jobs back to the U.S., a process economists warn may take years. We're seeing a mixed picture so far, with companies like Apple and Hyundai announcing new investments in U.S. plants and jobs, while automaker Stellantis says it's temporarily laying off 900 workers in the U.S. as it pauses production in Mexico and Canada. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.